Hello, I'm Ken Murray, founder of Retirement Planners of America, and thank you for watching this video. This is our weekly market alert video for the week ended November 6th, 2020. And last Friday, if you watched the video, you saw that I said that the selling that we saw was a buying opportunity. And I can tell you that I did not expect to see this week a rise in the S&P of over 7%. I did think it was a buying opportunity, but wow. So what's going on? Why is this happening? Well, in our view, there's two things. One is, as we've said for many, many weeks now, it is the stimulus that is going to keep the economy afloat. We believe that consumer spending is 70% of our economy, and therefore, if there's a stimulus for consumers to be able to continue to spend, that will keep the economy going and keep the stock market up. When that stimulus fades, we see selling. The politicians went home last week and they said, we're going to deal with it later. We want to go get reelected. And people got nervous about that, and there was some selling. That's our view. Now, this week, two things. The elections are upon us. Maybe we're going to get a stimulus package soon. The closer every day we get past elections, the closer we are to stimulus. And so we think that's a great deal of the reason for the buying that we've seen this week and the rally that we saw. The other thing also is that it appears, based on as I record this, the election returns, that we may have gridlock with our government. And we've gone back and looked at periods, and according to Bloomberg, during periods of gridlock, meaning government can't get anything done because it's divided, we have seen the stock market, the S&P, actually do quite well. So why is that? Well, one of the main reasons is that investors don't like change. They don't like uncertainty. And if they feel confident about the future, then they can invest based on how they see things happening. So the more certainty investors have, the more likely they would be to invest. And that would drive prices up, in our view. So if we have gridlock, then what that means is the potential for tax changes, healthcare changes, regulation changes, all that kind of stuff becomes very, very difficult. And if there's not going to be a lot of change, we know how to play this game right now. We've been playing it for a while. We know the rules, and so investors feel more confident. The other thing that gridlock does is it then means that if those issues are off the table, then it becomes the stimulus, in our view, even more important. So keep your eye on that ball if you want to know where the markets are going to go, in our view. Now, if you are over 50, if you are retired or retiring soon, then you may think this means that, oh great, stimulus package, potential new all-time highs, I need to go big. Well, our view is we have a core value, an investment principle that says that never take more risk than is necessary to accomplish your financial goals. So we want to help you to determine how much risk you need to take, your allocations, how much you should have in the markets, how much you should have in an emergency fund. We want to help you decide on when to take Social Security, help you see if you can retire or not. If you are retired, where do you get income from? All kinds of stuff that with regard to if you're within that 5 years before retiring or the 5 years after. If you're in that 10-year, that decade, we think it's the most important decade of your entire financial life. And we want to help you to make decisions during that time so that you can enjoy your second childhood without parental supervision, which is what we call your retirement. So how do you do all that? Visit with one of our retirement planners. It's very easy. Just go to our website, rpoa.com, and click on Meet with an Advisor. We'll schedule a time to visit with you. No charge or obligation. If we can help you, fantastic. And if not, that's fine too. Okay? Either way, we'll part friends. So take advantage of it. Got nothing to lose. So thank you for watching this video, and we will talk soon.